Hey everybody, Jan the Man here, Logic Living Micro Homes. We have today's special guest is Chelsea and Zaylee. And they love everything minimalist, microism, and they have seen us on Instagram and had to come out and check it out. Chelsea, tell everybody, being a woman, what you think of this place, the space, all that sort of thing.
I was never considering living in a tiny home, but I'm blown away.
Yeah, thanks.
Jan, you're able to create the lap of luxury in a small little space that is not only eco-friendly, but poshed right out.
Oh, you love the little feature, say the heated floors?
Heated floors, the bathtub's the largest bathtub you can buy, which is not something I was expecting in a tiny home. Same with the sliding glass door, also being the largest size you can buy. Transparency of the home is incredible, and it's perfect feng shui. So lying upstairs where both beds go, you can see out windows and feel like you're part of nature and know exactly what's going on outside.
Awesome. Thanks for visiting.